I had an experience yesterday. I was sitting outside, and for a fraction of a second, I completely forgot myself. And I don't know how to really explain that, but wasn't worried about anything, concerned about anything, was not anxious. People talk about self-expression like it's a special thing, but to me, when are you not expressing yourself? Everything you do expresses yourself. So why not do something else? People like to talk about what they would do if they had a time machine, and I think we all have time machines, and we're probably using them right now. Thinking about the past or the future, you're not here in the moment.